we are having the ice storm. The roads are so slippery, like it's all ice. See? It's gonna be all icy. So this is just the start of the icy storm. And I think tomorrow will be snow. But for now, it's ice. So you can see, guys. See? These are all ice. It's not snow, but it's ice. That's ice. So it's dangerous to drive. Uh-oh. Look. Friday night, it's already getting worse, and we are on level 3, which means all roadways are closed to non-emergency personnel. No one should be driving during these conditions unless it is absolutely necessary to travel or a personal emergency exists. All employees should contact their employer to see if they should report to work. As you can see, guys, it's really getting worse. That's all ice, not snow. So we are on level 3 of this icy storm, and look, oh my god. And I think it's gonna be snowing later on, but as of now, it's all ice. Not snow, but it's ice. everyone! So today is February the 4th and look, so it's snowing really hard, and yesterday we had ice storm. So as you can see, look, it's not that deep because it's already ice. And we're on level 3. So a lot of power interruptions, a lot of trees fell. See, because of this ice, it's so heavy, so the trees cannot handle it anymore, you know. See, and hopefully this will be the last snow time. But as of now, we still have the winter warning until 10 a.m. So, oh, look at my glasses. Roads are too slippery because it's icy. And it's nice, it's beautiful. This is what happened when you have an ice storm. See? Freezing rain, as they say. But if it's only snow, no icicles. I removed my glasses. Let it snow, let it snow. So ice and snow. Those icicles. So it's colder if there's a lot of ice. So last year I had my photo shoot on those pine trees, or I don't know how you call those trees, because it's nice in there, but I'm lazy to go.
Ginagawa mo!
Sabi ko. It's icy. Look how nice. How nice. Aray ko. So let's go back.
A few moments later.
I hope you enjoyed watching my video. So thank you so much guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.